Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today guys, I'm going to be working in my closet. Seems like I have found a semblance of closet peace, but not necessarily total peace. This little shoe caddy held like my sandals and different things like that, but it always in the way of me trying to get to the back part of this closet. So remember, I used to have full set racks in there on the top and the bottom, but when you put racks, like to my left hand side, when you put hangers there, you can't close the door without bumping into the clothes. So that is a design flaw in a walk-in closet that actually is too small. If you've been in my bedroom before, which you have virtually, where that little alcove is where the books are, if they would have brought the closet out just a little bit more, you would have been able to close the door without running into the hangers. And so because that is the case, I can't have as many clothes in here as I would love. So I'm just decluttering some stuff. Lots of my clothes, 99.9% of my clothes come from the Goodwill or Nadine West, which means I don't put a lot of money into them. Although they do look nice, I find quality pieces, but I can recycle through my clothing. It just makes it a little bit easier to do that when I'm not putting as much resources into it. So here I am just going through things. I've lost a little weight. I know I still have those little bat wings in the back, but mind your business. My waist is a little bit small. I am making some strides in my weight loss journey. So there are some things that might just be a little bit bigger than what I need at the moment. And I'm just pulling out those pieces and trying to adjust dresses in the back, shirts, shorter dresses, just putting everything that's kind of like a like item. I'm not coordinating by color, although I would love to coordinate by color. I don't have time for that right now. Maybe this summer. And I'm just pulling out some things and trying to make my closet a little bit more functional. You'll see in just a little bit that I have a ton of clothes that were in the wash that I still need to hang in here. So even though it looks like I'm pulling out quite a lot, I still have a lot that needs to be hanged. So that was this process. I'm always happy to pull out older things. It doesn't bother. I'm not attached to anything. If it doesn't work for me anymore, away it can go. And I'm perfectly okay with that. There are some things, again, with the word that the Lord gave me, look like you belong there. Look like you already belong there. I have to get rid of some things that don't look like we belong there, right? And I have to make room for other items. So that's what I'm doing in this closet. I did not mess with any purses, although I do need to go and manage some of those purses as well, because I just have a couple of them and my closet is just not big enough right now. So this is a stack or a pile of things that I was able to pull out of the closet, and I am going to fold those and put them in a bag for the Goodwill. We do try to fold them as best we can. I'm going to save my hangers because I like to keep all black hangers in my closet, but I've had to shift with some white ones because I have a lot of things and because I've broken a few. Because my closet racks are so tall and I'm short, I try to reach as high as I can, and sometimes the hanger snaps. So some of my black ones are just snapped in half. Of course, I made a decision to keep that one burgundy dress. It just had some fluff on it that I'll need to roll from the laundry. I think Jackson washed some toilet paper and some nose tissue in his clothes some kind of way. So I'm collecting all my hangers now, and I'm going to put them on the bed. It's going to make it easier for me to hang up this mountain of clothes that you see on the couch. Now, I love having a couch in my room for the kids to sit on, but it does make a nice little place to throw extra clothes if I have not had a chance to put my laundry up. So I don't want to keep that habit. So here I am again, getting rid of what I need to and making space for the newer pieces. This dress and the green one, of course, were my new Mother's Day dresses that I think Alana got these two. Jackson bought me another one, and the one that Trandon bought has not arrived yet. But again, even in this stack, I'm going through to make sure that I get rid of just some of the things that don't fit, or, you know, it's going to take me a long while to get into those items. I'm just not attached to anything. I can get rid of it with no problem. My sister, she gets on my nerves. She's like, you throw away everything. I do. If it doesn't serve a purpose in this current season of my life, it must go, because I'm not going to get fat on the lamb. We're just not going to do that, because I can always get it again. Again, because I do Goodwill and because Nadine West sends me clothing, I have a good system of being able to recycle through things. When you're paying $3.89 and $4.89 for a piece at Goodwill, and it's just as good as if you had paid full price at a regular store, I'd rather do this, because I can really recycle through my clothing very well. This just works for me. This may not work for everybody, and I know some people don't like to wear secondhand clothing. I find a lot of brand new pieces at my particular Goodwills that I go to. There's two that I like to shop at quite often if I'm able to get to them. Alrighty, so here I put in these two shelves, and these shelves have worked perfectly for me. I actually get dressed inside of my closet, but it's summertime, or spring getting ready to be summer, and I have a ton of shoes. There's what the closet looks like with all the dresses hanged and decluttered, and then I moved my shoes into this space for now.